I couldn't get my grip
like
on the
that,
first one.
With the knot up there.
Yeah.
See how big that gap is? We need one like that one.
Yeah, I didn't even do it. I just said, screw it.
I'll try again.
Let's go, Raul! Got it. Beast it a little bit more. Right there. It's by your feet. Perfect. Touch it.
Touch it. You got it.
Got it, Raul. Hit it. Woo! Drop. Woo! Nice job. Nice job.
This is the first time I did that. Sorry.